Twitter and email marketing are a match made in heaven. If you are building a following on Twitter, then it's a simple step to start building a list. That list will multiply your income if you use it in the right way. Email marketing is not just about sending offers. The sales you make with today's emails started with your very first email you sent to the subscriber. In this guide, you'll find the 7 secrets to creating a list that will open your emails and buy your offers. It's no secret that email marketing is the most profitable aspect of online marketing. Simple, well-written emails can bring you regular windfalls or steady incomes. Twitter can change your life. Email plus Twitter can multiply that and give you the lifestyle you want faster than you thought possible. The report is free. Just click the link in the description below.